Hello, everybody. This is Andrew Hicks, your Director of Technology for the Ubaldini Group. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly create your own packets within DocuSign. That way, you can quickly and easily pull the documents that you typically use. So before, we've been kind of constrained to the documents that we have inside of our packets. So if you click on Add in the upper right, and you go to DocuSign Forms, you'll notice here the packets that we have generated for you already, and then we have the libraries down below. Now, from here, you can see we have our typical buyer residential, new construction, residential resale, vacant land. These are all the documents that we created packets for to make it easier using some of the most commonly used documents for those specific transactions. Now, if you want to create your own packet and have it show up every time you go in to add your documents, all you've got to do is click on My Documents here up at the very top. And you can do this from any DocuSign room at all. Once you're inside of My Documents, what you can do is you can click on New Packet. You can give it a name. So we can just call this Google Buyer Documents. Or you can just say Buyer, whatever you'd like to. You can name it anything, really whichever you'd like. And do Continue. We can select the library that we're going to add forms from. So if I hit Select, I'll be able to choose from any libraries that I have access to. Now, I don't have any access to the Florida Association of Realtors. However, you should have those and you can select it to choose those specific documents. I'm going to select 302, use selected, and you can see here, I can select whichever ones I'd like to use, and I can search using the search bar up here. So if you frequently use a specific set of documents, or if you would just like to have a custom packet for yourself, you can create it right in here. Once you select the ones that you want to use, you can click on Save, and now I have that packet. So if I go back into my room, I go to my documents area, and when I go to add my documents in, if I click on Add DocuSign Forms, I'll have my specific packet right in line here. It's got those documents that I added in. So you can add documents from any association, any library, create your own custom packets. It is pretty great. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And otherwise, have an awesome day.